Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious biscuits right on your stove. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 12 tablespoons of very cold butter. Also, have 1 cup of milk or buttermilk ready. A heavy-bottomed skillet or griddle is perfect for this method. Getting everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, cut in the 12 tablespoons of very cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly pour in about 1 cup of milk, mixing just until a soft, shaggy dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those perfect biscuits. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it just a few times, about 5 to 7 folds. Then, roll the dough to approximately 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits. Try to get about 8 to 10 biscuits from this batch. Avoid twisting the cutter for a better rise. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, cooking. Preheat your heavy-bottomed skillet or griddle over medium-low heat. You can add a tiny bit of butter or oil if you like. Place the cut biscuits in the skillet, leaving a little space between them. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked all the way through. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.